let's see how well this works out. I'm using my new microphone, using my new little phone stand. I'm trying to ditch the GoPro. Hopefully get better quality, better sound, a little better everything. That's my kid back there. He has a steering wheel. Say hi, buddy. Hi. Say hi. Yeah, that's my little pride and joy there. That's the guy who steals most of my time, so not a lot of videos because kids take a lot of time and kind of want to spend time with them, you know. But anyway, I did an update video, but it ended up being the sound was bad, so I ended up getting a microphone and I'm ending up remaking the video that I made. So I'll post a little bit of my truck. I think a lot of people said to get the inside clean. I got the inside clean. I'll post a little clip right here. Okay, for all the people, for some of the people that said clean the inside, I listened to you guys. I mean, I was gonna do it anyway, but I had it cleaned. Inside sparkles now. Even smells pretty good. I mean, I'm debating whether I want to keep this truck or just drive it or something, because this sucker looks nice. I don't know if you guys caught it in the other video. Tanks are polished. I mean, guy did a decently good job. Got the whole truck polished. Did a pretty good job, so. Headlights, where I got like that, and then I think someone said yeah, polish. Now I got a polish as well. I'll show that in a little clip as well. Alright, the only thing that sucks is when you're recording on your phone, when you get a phone call, it interrupts the video. So that's what happened there. Buddy, say hi. I'm trying to get him to say hi. He usually says hi pretty good. Okay, I guess not. But I don't like how I look in this camera. This camera gives me a few extra pounds. And then an update on that 2018 367. I did kind of get rid of that truck. I bought it with a customer of mine and kind of want to do my own project, so I kind of just pulled out of that truck. So I don't know. I do have pictures of how he built the cab up. He did get a separate cab, and it's already pretty much put together. I'll probably post the clips right here. But that's pretty much no longer my truck. I am looking for further projects, more projects. I am still working, but I just don't know what to record while, like mechanic videos, because I feel like I've showed a lot and I don't know what else to show. But if you guys have ideas of what you guys want to see on the mechanic side, do let me know, and I will try my best to make a video about it. But yeah, I just want to get an update on my truck and the 367. I'll maybe do a video of it, maybe not. I can't promise anything on it because it's not really mine, and I don't know if I'll have time, or you know, if it's really appropriate for me to make videos of not my truck. But yeah, my truck, I'm supposed to be getting paperwork here real soon, and then that's where we're gonna decide if we're gonna funny. I'll insert his clip. There you go. I'm getting paperwork on it real soon here, and then I'm most likely leaning towards selling it. So as long as the number's right and everything, and the number should be right. I mean, there's almost no way I want to say there's no way I can lose on this truck. I'm supposed to make a decent amount, you know. So that's why I kept going with this, and that's why what kept me interested. And then a lot of guys have been asking about how much I got the truck for. So once I sell it, I'll probably do like a little price thing. I'll do maybe like a little giveaway, whoever guesses number, some sorts of that. Since my channel is kind of growing, figure it's time to do like a little giveaway. It won't be much, but something's better than nothing. I'll do like a little giveaway, whoever guesses the closest, and something of that nature. But yeah, that's pretty much the updates for my trucks. Like I said, I was supposed to get a cab. I found a cab for a really good deal. Like, it was a cab all intact. I just wanted to get it because it was that much of a good deal that I just wanted to get it just to sit. I don't have a second truck, but it would have been good just even to sit, or even to find the right guy to sell it to. But the guy, I told him, I was like, I'll send you a deposit, blah blah, like I'll pay for it, I'll just come pick it up end of the week. And then I guess he didn't respect that I was the first guy to reach out to him, and he just, I guess, sold to someone else. But either way, I mean, it's not something to get upset about. We'll get another one. But like I said, I am looking for other projects. Mainly looking for a sleeper truck, because those seem to have a little more value, and have a little more value even to me if I want to keep a truck. That's kind of what I'm looking towards for right now. And then I do have a truck my customer's offering me. The price is good and everything. I just kind of want to get rid of this truck for now and take a little break, because I do want to take a little vacation. I mean, I know it doesn't show a lot on camera because I don't film as much, but I do work a lot. I do my mechanic stuff, and then I gotta do my truck stuff. So that took, like, the last 6 months have been really, believe it or not, been hectic. But yeah, I want to take a little vacation with the kid, with the wife, and then, get into another build, hopefully. But yeah, that's pretty much my update here. That's the kid. Hopefully he wasn't in the way of anyone listening. Hopefully no one complains about him. I keep trying to, get rich. I don't want to do these trucks anymore, so I'm just trying to get rich out here. But I keep just winning like 20, 25 bucks, but that ain't enough to supply me. Who wants to wrench and do trucks their whole life, I just want to lay on a beach and not do anything. It hasn't worked out so far, so I'm still sticking to this and trucking. But anyway, guys, I appreciate you guys watching, for all the support, even the people that hate on the music. I did say in my previous video, if you don't like the music, there's a mute button. Lower the volume. I mean, that's the music. Like, I do have to use copyright-free music, so they don't claim the video, and I can make, a couple cents off the video. I have to use that kind of music. If you guys have any suggestions of that kind of copyright-free music, then send it my way. I would, no problem. I'll use it in my video. But for now, that's the kind of the music that I have, that I found, that kind of appeals to me. Sorry if that doesn't appeal to you, but if you guys have any ideas, send them to me. I'll have no problem using them. But yeah, I appreciate you guys for all the love and support, the people, commenting, liking, subscribing. I did answer a lot of times for the cab. The cab was a 97 cab. There was no way I could use the cab. I mean, everything on that cab is different besides for the panels that I used. It's not like I could have slapped, if I could have, I would have slapped that cab onto my truck and, called it a day. I didn't want to do all that extra work. It wouldn't have worked. The inside dashboard, everything is different. The wiring, everything. So the only way I could have use that cab is the way I used it, you know, by taking the panels off and putting them onto my cab. So a lot of people were thinking that I just wanted to make extra work or waste extra time. No, that wasn't the case. That was literally the only thing I could have done. The only way I could have utilized the cab that I bought. I got it for, I think I told someone I bought it for $700. Peterbilt quoted me $5,000 for the roof, the window, and the cowling, the window frame thing, and the cowling. They quoted me $5,000, plus minus a few $100. I got this cab for $700. Yeah, I put in some work, but in the end, I saved myself, you know, north of $4,000. So it's worth it. It's not like I just wanted to waste extra time and had extra time and just wanted to, you know, make videos. I mean, I do enjoy making videos. I'm trying to get more into it, but yeah, I wouldn't want to just waste extra time just because I wanted to. So yeah, I hope that answers a lot of you guys' questions. Like I said, I do appreciate everyone watching. I will try to film a little more of wrenching. But anyways, I appreciate you guys sticking with me. I know I don't post often, but I'll try to get into a habit of it, into a schedule of it. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.